Today, you will learn how to add comments in Avonni. Let's dive in. To add comments on the page we are working on, click on the project name located in the top toolbar and select Show Conversations. Now we are in the conversation mode. From here, we can add comments, annotations, and even draw figures directly on the page. Let's create a new conversation for the account page. When we are working from the conversation mode, we are not altering our current work. In fact, Avonni is capturing a snapshot of your current page to let you and your teammates add comments and annotations on top of it. Once our snapshot is captured, we can now add comments by clicking on the marker icon and add a comment anywhere on the image. We can even mention someone in the conversation by using the @ sign. Other tools are available, like text, pencil, or sticky notes. As our design evolves, we can create a new conversation and follow its progress. At any time, we can download our conversation image by clicking on the download icon. This is a brief overview of the conversation mode in Avonni.